The average human has 6,000 thoughts a day. The thing about that is 90% of those thoughts are the same every single day. When you have the same thoughts every day, you live in the past. Now, when you live in the past, you have a predictable future, and none of us want that. The problem is that 10% of our brain that wants change only gets activated by great speakers and influencers and gurus, fake gurus, and they've all taken us down the wrong road so many times that we're just kind of tired of that, right? Now, a lot of us, we just get afraid and we stop making moves and our business stops growing. Now, we're constantly bombarded with people telling us there's a better way to do things. Brokerages, website companies, lead generating companies. Like you, I'm tired of people constantly telling me there's a better way. So why am I here? Well, I'm here to tell you there's a better way. I know, but trust me, give me 10 minutes across these videos and I'll show you, in the past 4 years, I've been on a vision quest, a journey to set up a team structure where our agents make more money, they get more family time, and they have better customer service. Now, 6 years ago, I met my wife. We fell in love. I asked her to marry me, and she was a little bit nervous because I just deconstructed my whole team. I burnt the whole thing down. And what I really wanted to do was start a family and have time for that family. We've all tried new things that haven't worked. So what I did with my journey is I reached out to a buddy of mine, Lee Tezier. He's been a coach for many years. I said, who's the best coaching company? Workman Success Systems, he said. I hired them. They helped me go from 30 to 10 agents. The first year was tough, but it had to be done. We put in new systems, operations, the right employees, and we created a better value proposition. What I found was our agents that were very busy doing 3 or 4 deals a month, even 1 or 2, they just needed more time. So how do I get out of that logjam? For me, I focused on the consumer experience. How do I free up time for our agents to provide a better consumer experience? And basically what it had us do is analyze and take more things off the plate. An agent with 3 or 4 deals under contract, they don't have time to call their past clients. They don't have time to nurture and call new leads. So we have the in-house marketing, transaction coordination, listing management. But the 2 most important things, lead nurture and past client nurture, is something that we wanted to take off their plate. So for an agent to keep a business flowing, they need appointments with leads and they need appointments with past clients. So what we did is we created an ISA team. We generate over 2,000 leads a month where our ISA team calls and nurture these leads until they're ready for appointments, which we give our agents. We created an MVP program, which nurtures past clients, sphere of influence, and friends. And the whole idea is to keep your funnel full. Our agents have a full funnel. They can focus more time with their clients, and we just keep that funnel going. Now, the epiphany I had was focus on the consumer experience. And what that led to was a much better value proposition for our agents. It creates a constant flow of business. It takes time-consuming activities off their plate. They make more money, they have more time, and they have better customer service. Now, me and my wife, we went on, we had a beautiful baby boy, and there's nothing more I love is to watch our agents develop the lives that they love. Now, our next video is the framework of how we do this and see if you fit in. Take care.